This is Matt and Victor, 10C. Got wet stained walls there. This is the laundry bathroom. Got a hall bathroom there. Got a shoes coat. You can see there. Got moisture in the wall. A hallway. And then a master bedroom with wood flooring. The meter down on that. Keeps going out of focus. There you go. Got moisture trapped in the floor. And then we've got a flooded walk-in closet there. And then in the bathroom, they've got water in the tub. They've been trying to wring out the water. All these towels and water. Good job for Mr. Dryout.